Okay, this is a room tour of room 227, Mediterranean.
Hotel Mediterraneo.
Civitavecchia.
Civitavecchia.
Okay.
I receive.
Okay, as we come in to the left, you have got this
toilet.
shitty toilet.
Shitty toilet. Here's the button, the flusher for the handle for the flush the toilet. They'll give you some towels.
Those, I think, are hand and face towels, but they're kind of weird.
You have a European plug in the bathroom, although they do give you a hair dryer. Squeezable soap. Actually, a really large size sink. And the shower. Gina has her very strong opinion about that shower.
Now,
What I will tell you is, for some reason, the hot water comes out very light, but the cold water comes out really full.
now, I don't know if y'all can see this on camera. This is kind of dirty. It's like mildewed.
Where's the soup stuff? That's probably mildew.
And the doors
Metal closed doors with a
have
magnet.
mildew. Mildew.
But it's got a bidet.
That'll do it for the bathroom. And as you come out of the bathroom, now you're into the room. You have a mirror, full length mirror to the right hand side to show off your belly. And we have a chair to sit on, padded chair.
A very, I can't say it's small because it's long, but it's not very far. Doesn't come out very far.
It's
not very wide.
That's just to put your crap on. You see all our crap is on it.
TV.
The tiniest TV I have seen in since 2002.
That's because it's a monitor. It's not a TV. It is a SyncMaster 2030 HD monitor. It's not a TV.
Okay. It's a monitor. And now we have the closet.
Space. No door.
So no door.
But
a couple of hangers. Not very many. I guess you can put your shoes on the bottom here. Suitcase. We do have a fridge.
You do get a fridge.
And it actually stays cold. Woohoo!
It didn't come with any of that. We went and got some more. Because we got thirsty.
No safe.
There is no safe in here.
They do give you like an extra comforter and an extra pillow, which the pillows are still kind of crap.
Light switches for your lights. And next to each side of the bed,
you
another
have
European plug.
European socket, but it's hidden behind the table. And onto the bed. This is
a very large bed.
I think it's actually two
twins next because you can see
pushed together.
Yes.
Because it looks like a king size, oversized king size.
Super duper.
There is a socket
behind
on this side, and
next to the desk.
Next to the desk, you do have to click that little button with your foot to make the light come on, but we unplugged it. And this is another socket behind the table, bedside table. You do need a converter adapter in this room. More light switches and another light on the bed. Got a chair, comfy chair, next to the bed. There's plenty of space over here to actually move around, which I was kind of shocked.
There's a view.
This is our view.
There's the waterfront out there, which ships out to sea.
And
on the first floor, apparently they have balconies.
So as you can see, there's a balcony. We didn't get a balcony room. I guess I wasn't privileged enough.
It is.
So, but it is what it is.
They have
There's a Ferris wheel that was actually lit up last night and moving. And way down there in the distance is like the port. This hotel is 5 minutes walk from the train, and what would you say, maybe about 15 to 20 minutes walk from the port.
It says it is. It's 20 minutes.
It
from
is
the port.
very centrally located. It's very basic. It is what it is. You know, you kind of get what you pay for. This was a very, very cheap one.
198 euros.
We only stayed here for 2 nights. And you don't get like a key card. That is one of the things that kind of
Here.
surprised me.
You get the key.
You actually get a key that locks the door and unlocks the door. This is like old school stuff here. Anyway, this is a quick room tour of where we stayed before we get onto NCL Viva in the morning. Yay! It's cruise day.
Cruise day. On what? What are we gonna be on?
The NCL Viva. Yeah.